Hi, this is Sunny from Bslbatt.
Hello, my name is Liana.
And what do you show here?
This is our new model. This is a all-in-one energy storage system with inverter and battery in it. Yeah, it's
So
really
it's easy to use in the house, in the home?
yes,
Easy to use.
yes, it's very easy to installation and move.
And what's the capacity?
This one is 10 kilowatt hour, the battery, yes, and with 7 kilowatt inverter.
And is it very expensive, or once the price is good?
I think maybe the price is cost effective for the users. Yes, right.
And what do we see here?
This one is also all-in-one energy storage system, but it's a 6.2 inverter. Yes, and this is only battery. Yes, the also with the wheels can easy move. Yes.
How many kilos?
This one is
60 kilowatt.
16.
yeah, yes, okay.
Yeah. And can you show here a little bit the wall? What do you have here?
For our factory, we are the professional lithium battery factory. So we produce just like these big guys. It's for the commercial and industrial use. And we also have a high voltage, yes, stackable battery for the residential installation and high voltage. Yes, and we also have the patrol. It's easy to move. If you want to for travel, for trip, you can get some, yes, with you.
Can we have a look behind there on this side here? Let's get,
Yes.
So here you talk about the life cycle, 4,500, 12,000 hours, 8 years, and 70% energy saving. That's your marketing?
Yeah.
And if I look here, what is this?
This one is rack mounted. The kilowatt is 5 kilowatt.
5 kilowatts?
Yeah, and this is our inverter, 6 kilowatt. And this one is another one is 8 kilowatt.
So how big is your factory, and where is your factory?
Our factory is located in Huizhou, Guangdong. Yes, and we are more than
More than 25,000 square meters. More than 300 employees, and we have more than 100 R&D engineer.
Nice. It would be great if a solution like this, where maybe you have one with built-in inverter, and then you add another 10 to have 20 totally, maybe. And it would be so great if it's affordable and reliable and mass production all over the world. Many people can get. It will change the world if it's real.
yes.
We can do it.
Is that okay?
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio, HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.